you're trying to teach tech, one of the first things you got to do is you got to teach folks foundational knowledge about the technology so they can answer the questions that customers are inevitably going to have. Typically, you've done that with long-form content. People tick a box and say they read it. So Lemonade can morph that into a game. So here's that long-form content, and you actually have to read it and pay attention to it and correct the mistakes. So you can't just tick a box that says you read it. You actually have to read it and understand it. And as you correct the mistakes, you get sort of a rating. At the end of this, you'll see that I did pretty well. Admittedly, I've played this game a couple of times. So I got 100, and I earned 30 customers in the booster game. So how well I do in training affects how I progress in growing my bank in the booster game. Had I done poorly, I'd have lost customers, which would motivate me to take the training again, which is how you drive repetition to make the learning stick, essentially.